Hey, good morning, guys. We're at 3690 Jones Mill Road in Carrollton, Georgia. We're doing a repair attempt. Here we have the repair area. There's our damaged shingle from the claim. This here is a controlled area. We're going to show now around this repair area that the seals on these shingles, there's no delamination. If you can go ahead and show that. Okay, all these shingles are stuck. Shingles are sealed, no delamination. All right, let's show that on the controlled area. Everything is sealed, no delamination. That's our controlled area. All right, now we're going to remove this shingle that's damaged. Of course, it should have 4 or 5 fasteners in it. Prepping the seal now, getting it loose. You know what he's gonna do? He's gonna pull the shingle loose above it and prep it. That one, he's going to get it loose. He's going to identify his nails and ever so slightly lift that shingle up to identify the fastener. There's the first fastener. And it pulled through, completely pulled through. That's no good. Okay. Gently, there's another one that looks like right here. Yep, there's a fastener there. Ever so slightly lifting it just to identify. Same thing, it's trying to pull through. It did pull through. Let's come back and grab those nails. Pulling the fastener again. That's the third nail. Pull through as well. Just tearing the shingle. All right. So here. Same thing. Being super careful not to overlift the shingle to keep these fasteners out. Perfect.
It's hard to see it now that I pull through. Here we go.
Got that one. Was there another one out here?
I think that was the last one.
Yeah, let's check under here and see. That shingle goes to here. It's the first set of nails he's pulling out that are in the common bond in the nail, the strike zone of the shingle, and up above the shingle, of course, is 14 1/4 tall. So there'll be another layer of nails across here. So he's going to locate those and pull that second. Being super careful. Trying not to delaminate the shingle. Yeah, on the end, it's the first one. Again, see that careful shingle pulled, nail pull through?
Yeah, fastener pulled straight through.
So here we have another case of the fastener pulling through. The shingles are so brittle in that area.
I got 3 right here.
No, as gentle as you're being, it's not.
I got 1 and I think the rest pulled through.
Okay, we'll come back and get them when you pull it out. Yeah, we'll come back and grab it. Yeah, keep it in the see if there's any down on the end. It should be. They got the 5, but
Yep.
Like it pulled through as well. Okay. So lift that up a little there and see what you can do to pull that nail out. That's very much a pain in the butt when they pull through. Yeah, there you go. Yep. That one.
That is 3.
Might be a little tricky. These are all, like I said, this shingle is 14 1/4 tall, so as this shingle goes up into there, this other row is nailed in, and that's what he's currently attempting to pull out. Got that, so these are all the nails. We're still pulling all these nails. Is that all of them?
I don't think so.
Something right in here. Oh, the one that pulled.
Oh my God.
Oh, right here, right here.
Here we go.
Yep,
There we go.
that will come out the proper way.
I'm sorry. I got one more out there.
Yep. Now our first damaged shingle
I
should
got
come
one
out.
more out here, that's all. Sorry.
Yeah, we got it, man.
Yeah, we came through.
Alright.
Alrighty.
Now the damaged shingle's coming out. Here's it. Okay, and you can see all the nails. Several nails. There's approximately 10 to 12 nails. There's where the shingle pulled through, or the nail pulled through the fastener. You can hear all the granule loss falling off of it. So this is a Nelk Prestige 1 shingle. We're going back with the current. That one, of course, is discontinued. We're going back with a GAF HDZ shingle. Of course, Georgia's not a matching state. We're not worried about color. We're just worried about repairability. Now, as he butts that shingle up perfect there, I'm gonna get my side butted up, but of course, there's some overlap here from different sizes, so we're gonna have to actually field cut this shingle. And as we cut this shingle here, we get into the overlapping piece of the architectural and could possibly mess up this seal here on this second piece of the laminate shingle. So he's going to field cut that and trim it. And of course, they're not super accurate field cutting, but we're going to give it a go. It's the different dimensions from a discontinued shingle to a current.
I'd help if I had a sharp razor.
As you can see, the troubles and tough things of field cutting a shingle. We're going to make that cut, even though it's not recommended to make cuts. Most cuts are covered by hips and ridges. Not recommended to field cut a shingle and expose that edge with a fiberglass. All right.
Strip as well.
Yeah, that should slide there. He's gonna line the shingle back up. As you can see, it's not perfect, but you see that. Look at the fastener.
Yeah.
Somewhere. Yep. All right. So now he's got to nail this new repaired shingle back and also nail back the one above that caught the nails. So he's going to show here that this is the maximum amount that we have to lift that shingle in order to use this hatchet to put the nail in the bond, in the nail strip. Yep. And manufacturers require 5 nails. This will be the 3rd. Second, here's the 4th coming up, and one on the end. And the last fastener going in. Perfect. Now he's got to lift this row here to put the final nails in that shingle. And of course, we can't technically reuse this shingle based on this nail pull through. As you can see, the fasteners have pulled through. Can't definitely reuse, re-nail shingles like this. Is not a typical scenario. Ever so slightly lifting that shingle to get these slid in there. Good deal. Now he's going to come back and show the shingles. What we had some different. Okay, so we got some delamination here. Have some delamination here. Was there any on the lower shingle?
Yeah, a lot of these are pulling up now.
Yeah, where they wasn't before. Okay, there's a prime example. There's another one. So just in this one repair, we have damage to this shingle above, the next shingle up. This will never reseal, and of course, highly unlikely a shingle at this age would ever reseal here after we've broke this seal strip. This one potentially could, based on you know, having a new shingle, but the tar is gone underneath. I'm not sure if there was any mat transfer, but we're going to show that. We did have some tears in the shingle. We had a tear here. We had where the fasteners pulled. All in all, we'll show too. Do you have a glove or a chip brush? What's that glove? And then just a little way we'll show back to our controlled area with the flat bar. Nothing has changed here. Everything's still stuck. We're going to swipe this and show that there's no granular loss. Nothing's changed. So you see very minimal granules. Now here, you can simply see all the granules here. So look at all these granules. All these granules just from this one repair. All the granular loss. We have tore shingles. We have the nails pulled through. We have all the mat transfer. We have the delamination. We have, we would write this one up as a complete fail. The repair failed. Thank you.